Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to our sixth number class. So today's class five maybe. So today's class about travel and dream destination. So travel and dream. So still there are two students are available on our live class. So I am going to ask my first student, but before I am going to tell something about travel and dream. So travel means to go somewhere to get enjoyness or to see the view of nature or any kind of it can be. Or dream means like you want to be in your life in the future something you want to be like you want to be a teacher, you want to be engineer, you want to be a scientist, whatever, or there is some classification of dreams. So travel and dream, these two words, but there are 8 questions in today's class and I'm going to ask you one by one. Okay, I'm going to ask you one by one. So okay, who will answer first? Salam bhai or Imon bhai? Who will answer first? Boy, who will answer first? Imon bhai?
No problem.
Okay, I'm going to start with Imon bhai. So Imon bhai, open your camera. Imon bhai, can you hear us? Okay, very good. So Imon bhai, our topic is about travel and dream destination. First question, are you ready?
I'm nervous, but I'm ready.
Don't be nervous, don't be afraid, no problem. Just try to answer in your own way. Right, wrong, it doesn't matter. Okay. First question, what is your dream?
My my dream is um, actually I'm very nervous because my vocal have some issue. So you my বাইকে একটু স্টার্ট করলে ভালো হইতো।
জি, আবার বলেন।
মানে সালাম বাইকে দিয়ে স্টার্ট করলে ভালো হইতো।
আচ্ছা,
আশিক, আমি
ওকে।
আশিক, সালাম না।
ইউ আর
ও
সালাম।
আসলে এখানে তো মানে আপনার সালাম নামে লেখা আছে তো সেজন্য।
ওকে, ওকে।
আমার আসলে ভাই এই এক 150 জিমেল তো কোনদিন কোনটাতে জয়েন হই ঠিক নেই।
100 Gmail. Oh, you are a
জি।
hacker. For this reason, you have. Okay, so Salam bhai. Travel and dreams, today's topic. So, first question. Are you ready?
Yeah, right now I am ready to say your answer.
Okay, what is your dream?
Yeah, your question is very good. Actually, everyone has a dream. Uh, like me, I have a dream. I want to be actually after finishing complete my graduation, then I want to go to abroad for higher study. This is my first dream. Then when I completed my graduation, at that time I come back my country. Then I'm searching a job, a government job. Then inshallah I পেতে পারি, এটা ইংরেজি কি হবে?
Yes.
পেতে পারি।
So
Maybe
I could
I
get the
got a job.
government job.
Yeah. This is my dream,
Okay, very
a small
good.
dream.
Have you ever? Okay, it's topic. Its question is about travel. So, have you ever traveled to another city or countries in your life?
Have you ever
Travels like
yeah, মানে আমি কি কখনো ভ্রমণ করেছি অন্য
yes, like out of your own division, out of your own country. Did you
yeah, yeah,
travel?
yeah, right. Yeah, I travel most of time as like uh, 2 or 3 months ago. I went my nearest district. This district name is Rangpur. Okay. for my business purpose work. That's why I travel. But travel is most thing for everyone. You know, if you when you travel others country or others places, your mind always be new. It's like new. Okay, that's why you should like travel. Yeah, and that's why I like travel.
Okay, very good. Who do you like to travel with?
Uh, I have a best friend. My best friend and me, both are on to our nearest city. Uh,
Yes,
yeah,
you have best friends. So, do you prefer beaches, mountains, or cities for traveling?
yeah. I obviously prefer beaches. Actually, uh, beaches. This place is mind blowing work. Okay, and this place is very beautiful. And this uh, this air is very natural, and this place have get lots of natural food and lots of opportunity, and that's why I must be prefer beach. Okay,
Okay, very good. How many countries would you like to travel?
right now I did not travel others country. I travel in my country, most of city among them. Okay,
Okay, like in the future, how many countries do you want to visit?
yeah, I want to visit 100 country in worldwide. It's my dream, uh, because uh, I want to get lots of experience from other person, for other country, from other country. Okay, that's why I want to visit others country, and I want to get lots of fruits, and I want to take lots of fruit tasting. That's why I want to go to abroad. Uh, that's it.
Okay, very good. So, what foods do you want to taste?
Yeah, this food type is it's like actually when I go any country, I just searching of this country, which food this country is famous. Uh, then I take it this food. Then I review it. You must be okay.
Okay, okay, very good. So, last question: Do you want to, what do you like taking photos while traveling?
Yeah, obviously. Yeah, obviously, I take a photo when I go outside, because mm, everyone want to be a take photo good places, or most of powerful with powerful man take a photo. That's I want to be, and I want to take lots of photo in my camera. Okay, if I go outside.
Okay, thank you so much, Salam Bhai, for answering to these questions. So, okay, Iman Bhai, it's your turn. Are you ready? Iman Bhai, it's your turn. Are you ready? Don't worry. So you can answer in your own way, right or wrong. It doesn't matter. Okay.
Okay, yes, I'm ready.
Open your camera if you don't mind.
Oh, it's off. Okay, okay.
Okay. So first question: what is your dream?
Uh, my dream is become as a good, uh, great, good. create future my career in technology field because I am studying in computer science. So I want a good build a good career in this field.
Okay, very good. Have you ever traveled to another city or country in your life? Like,
Yes,
did you go out of your district?
some months ago, I did visit in the subjects and Coxsbazar with our varsity friend. Actually, it is arranged our varsity to a tour in the Coxsbazar.
Okay, why do you like to travel or visit?
Actually, when I am visit in the other place, actually there have good environment and good everything. So it is very interesting for me and acquire some new knowledge and some conversation, new people. It is good feelings for me. So that is
Okay, very good. Who do you like to travel with?
actually I am love with travel with my friends and family when I'm free or if I free any time. I am something and nearby my district, but a long distance out of my district with my friend and visit in the some interesting place. And my family with with me go outside of my district and my uncle home in Naga city to visit there.
Okay, very good. Do you prefer beach, mountains, or cities for traveling?
Sorry.
So, do you prefer or do you like to visit beach, mountain, or cities? Which one?
Yes, I love some. I love sea breeze because I always say some time ago I did visit in the Cox's subject. They are having beautiful sea and long sea breeze and some mountains in have subject and we are on the and long this long feet uh, on the long feet in the hill and see the cloud some white cloud.
Okay, it's very good. So, how many countries would you like to visit in the future?
I I want to visit. I love this my dream to visit in US and Australia. Actually, there have a beautiful place, and if I get any job in this field, so I will inshallah going there.
Wow, very good. I like Australia also. I'd like to go there. So, what
And
foods
you,
would you like to taste when you will travel?
when I'm travel, slowly lost more energy. So I love this kind of coconut drink and uh, some fruit like grapes, nuts, and I am carry this when I am on the bus. So I am eat this. So there is
Okay, last question but not least, that is, do you like taking photos while traveling?
Yes, actually, it is one of dream in the boy. So every boy. So I'm take a lot of picture in there and group photo when I am when we are when we are into the water and take a lot of picture with my teacher, with my friend.
Okay.
That's
Thank you so much, both of you, for joining today's class and to develop your fluency. So there is no student, so we are going to stop this class here. But if you have any question, you can ask me right now.